Hello and welcome to the second video for maths. Today we're going to be learning about describing turns. Let's have a look at the man in the middle here. And let's have a look at the key words that we're going to be using in our lesson today. Firstly, let's say these words out loud. Full turn, half turn, quarter turn, 3/4 turn. Let me show you what that might look like. We can see the man is looking at the blue square. If we did a full turn, the man would turn all the way around to complete a full turn. Half turn. The man's looking at the blue square. We're going to turn him halfway. And we'll notice his half turn brings him to the purple pentagon. A quarter turn. The man is facing the blue square. When we make a quarter turn, thinking back to your fractions, a man will turn 1/4 and end up looking at the green triangle. And lastly, 3/4 turn. Thinking again back to your fractions, we have 1/4, 2/4, 3/4 turn. This time, we have the man looking at the blue square, and after he's moved, he's looking at the purple pentagon. What word would you use from here to complete the sentence? I have made a half turn. Let's look at this one. Before the man moved, he was looking at the yellow star. After, he's still looking at the yellow star. What word would you use to complete the sentence? I have made a full turn. Next, the man has been looking at the blue square. He's now looking at the green triangle. What turn do you think he's made? The man has made a quarter turn. And now I want you to have a go at completing task 1. Okay, let's look at the next part of our lesson. The keywords we need to understand are anti-clockwise and clockwise. You think of the way that the hands move on a clock, it is clockwise. And if they were to go the opposite way, it would be anti-clockwise. So let's have the man looking at the blue square to begin with. If I make a half turn clockwise, what shape will I be facing? Well, I'm going to be making a half turn clockwise, so I need to move to the right. Half a turn means I would end up at the purple pentagon. If I was to make a half turn anti-clockwise, what shape will I be facing? That's right. I will go the opposite way and make half a turn and end up at the blue square. Now let's imagine that the man is facing the yellow star. If I make a 3/4 turn clockwise, what shape will I be looking at? Well, here we have 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, the man will be facing the purple pentagon. If I make a quarter turn anti-clockwise, what shape will I be looking at? That's right, the man will be facing the green triangle. A quarter turn anti-clockwise, that means we go the opposite direction of how the hands move around a clock, and we'll be facing the green triangle. Have a go at completing the rest of the tasks.